Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another very sunny video. The sun is back, I still have COVID, I'm just a little bit slimy. Anyway, so last video you guys have seen the Subaru Justy, aka the Suzuki Ignis, aka old cruise mate. It is very neglected, nobody looked after it, didn't have TLC for a very long time, and today is the time we're going to clean it up. This is my 2005 Subaru Justy G3X. As you can tell, it has been neglected for many years. And it is time to give this car some TLC and make it shiny like a baby's behind. Oh, I hit my head. Ow. I just hit my head. That was kind of stupid. Oh, these Subaru trunk lids are pretty hard. It also didn't have any maintenance done to the engine for about 100,000 kilometers. So yeah, gonna have to do that as well. Anyway, we are going to turn that awful, ugly, black looking duck back into its original shape. And we're gonna have, I got my little helper George here, gonna help me clean out the inside of the car. And of course we got degreasers, we got shampoo, we got brushes, we got detail brushes, got high pressure washer. It's gonna get dope. I have never ever seen paint come off a rim that fast. Yeah, gonna have to fix the wheels. now that it's looking gorgeous as ever, you can obviously see that the door panels do have a slight color difference. Now, you couldn't tell the difference from new at 17 years old. That's how good it is looking right now. Now, let's pick up George and let's jump into the interior. I have no idea why people buy this. How old is this actually? As you can tell, this thing is brand spanking new. And yeah, next up I'm going to do is maintenance, and then probably turn into the budget off-roader. Now I know, it is yet again the end of this video. Really want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more of the golden nugget. Of course, the beloved chimney. We got a lot more cool stuff coming, not only cleaning videos. So yeah, gonna be awesome this year. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Drive safe. Peace.